Okay, right. So now we're gonna be doing question 2b. So in question 2b, it says that determine how long it will take Boosie to pay off the money that she owes on her credit card if she repays 94 rand, 975 per week and she does not make any other purchases using this card. So in this question, basically this one is not gonna be a one way we're gonna use a compound interest formula. So for this question, the only formula that can work out it's gonna be the future value annuity, because according to future value annuities, it says that money or payments are made at regular intervals with an aim to save money for future needs. And then in this case, now we do have that the money that we're gonna save at the end is gonna be P equals to 12,349,00, and a month in which we're gonna repay it, it's going to be X equals to 94.75 rand. And then remember, our interest is compounded weekly, so we still have our interest being 0.123 all over 52. And then remember, we are trying to find the time or period, but in the way in which we're gonna find our time, we will have to say 52 times n, but we're basically looking for n, because remember, whenever you are dealing with compound interest formulas or you're dealing with these kinds of circumstances, you always gotta look at to which how is compounded, because it can be compounded monthly, which is gonna be 12, or it can be compounded half yearly or 2 monthly or quarterly and daily. Yeah, it can go up until daily. And whenever you always compound that, you're gonna always divide your interest with that account of compounding, and then you're gonna always have to multiply the time in which you were given by that component as well. So you're gonna multiply that period or time with either quarterly. So if it was quarterly, it was gonna be multiplied by 4. If it was monthly, we're gonna say 12n. If it was half yearly, it was either gonna be 6n. 6n, you get me? Right. So the formula to do all of that, it's given as P equals to X. Then we have a bracket like this. Sorry, we have a huge bracket like this. Then we're gonna say 1 minus 1 open bracket 1 plus I minus n all over I. Then we close the brackets. Okay, and then remember, we do have our P being 12,349 equals to, we have our X being 94.75. Then we can do a bracket 1 minus 1 plus 0.123 all over 52, close bracket, minus 52n all over 0.123 all over 52, and then we close that bracket. Okay, then what we're gonna do, we're gonna try to simplify this thing much further. So what we can do is to change the whole, is to change this thing there so that we can make sense. So we just can have this alone, and in the way that we can change it according to fractions, we're gonna have 12,349, then we're gonna have equals to 94.75, and that if you change it, you should get 1 minus 1 plus 0.123 all over 52 minus 52n multiplied by 52 all over 0.123. Okay, and we can put that in a bracket. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna multiply this with that, right? And then using a calculator, you should get 94.75 multiplied by 52 all over 0.123, and we get, so we're gonna get we're gonna get 12 we're gonna get 12,349 equals to, open brackets, 40056.91057, close bracket, open that other bracket, 1 minus 1 plus 0.123 all over 52 minus 52n, and we close that bracket. Then the next step is to divide both sides with that number. So you're going to divide with 40,056.91057, and you're going to do the same thing there. So you're going to divide with 40,056.91057. If you do that, you're gonna get 12,349 over 40,056.91057. You're gonna get a huge number, right? Let's just take this whole entire calculation here. So we're gonna have 0.3082863,812 equals to 1 minus 1 plus 0.123 over 52 minus 52n, right? Then you can take the 1 to the other side, and then you can rearrange the formula. So you can take that, you can take that to the other side. You can take the 1, so you can subtract 1 there. So you can say 0.1 minus 1, and you should get minus 0.6913136,188 equals to minus 1 plus 0.123 all over 52 minus 52n, right? And then you can divide both sides by -1. You can divide by -1, and then you should get 0.69171,171,36188 equals to 1 plus 0.123 over 52 minus 52n, right? And then the next following step is to use logarithm law. You're gonna use log laws. I mean to say, that's what I wanted to say. You're gonna basically use your log laws to solve this. So in the way that you can use your log laws, so you're gonna basically say that this is what you're gonna do. So using your log laws, you're gonna say log of the base, which is gonna be that which is going to be that 1 plus 0.12352 of the answer 0.6917136,188, and that is all going to be equals to it's going to be equals to minus 52n. Then you can divide both sides by minus 52, and at the end you should have an answer of n. So let's put that in a calculator and see what we get. Log 1 plus 0.12352 0.6917136,188 divided by minus 52. Yes, in the calculator, when you put that in the calculator, you should get 3.00154,501, and that's basically in years, right? So we're basically using years, but if you do round off to the nearest years, you should get 3 years. So basically this is how you could have done this kind of a calculation. Okay,